Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 11G Bonnygate in Cupar. This is a fantastic 2-bedroom end terraced property. It's in a really central location in Cupar. You have your own private garden and the most amazing upstairs open family social space, which you'll see in just a minute. Now, just to give you an idea, this is on the Bonnygate, so you have all your local amenities within walking distance, as well as all your bus routes connecting you across Fife and the train station as well. So it's the perfect commuting location, everything on your doorstep, and you are getting a fantastic property. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the camera and take you on the tour. So this is your property just here. So you have your really good sized landscape garden. You can maybe hear the birds in the background as well. It's so peaceful here, it's great. Now I'm going to just give you an idea of the size of the garden. And as you can see, you are not overlooked at all, which you'll get so much privacy, and it'll be a lovely sun trap as well in the summer. So let's head into the property. Now we're actually going to start downstairs with this one, and you'll see why in just a second. So let's start in the first bedroom. So you come to the left to your first bedroom. Now it's a really good sized room. So you have a double bed in here, plenty of floor space because you have the beauty that you have your built-in fitted double wardrobes. So you'll see as we go throughout this property there is ample storage, which is just great. So this is one of 2 bedrooms. Then we go along the hallway. Now again to the left here, storage cupboard. And then we go into the second bedroom. So again, a really good sized bedroom. Plenty of space for all your bedroom furniture. Not overlooked at all as well, so as you can see through the window just there. And then again, another double fitted wardrobe, so even more storage. It's a really good sized room. So then we'll go out into the family bathroom, finished to a really high standard, recently refurbished. You've got that lovely corner big bath to relax in, which is just lovely. And then a really good sized family bathroom. And then let's head upstairs. And you'll see what I mean about the open, social, entertaining space up here. I love it. So straight away, you'll see just how open and light this space is. So this is your living room. You have the Velux windows, both on the living room side and the kitchen side. So you're getting loads of light coming through. Again, storage here, which is just amazing. And then this just gives you an idea of the size and a glimpse of down that end at your kitchen diner. So this is a great sized room, plenty of windows to let in loads of natural light. And the windows are open and you can't hear a thing. It's so peaceful here. A little working from home space, which is really ideal. And then this is your dining space. So again, storage just there in the corner. And then this is your kitchen. So a great sized family kitchen. Again, a Velux window letting in loads of light. And this is your kitchen dining space. And you have your integrated appliances as well. So it's a really good kitchen. And I just love, imagine family and friends here entertaining, kids running up and down. It's just the perfect space up here. So let's just have a wee look again. And obviously again, your view onto your garden. So that was the property tour for 11G Bonnygate. As you've just seen, really spacious 2-bedroom property. I love the upstairs living space. It is perfect for you and your family. You have your own private garden as well. You're not overlooked at all. It is so peaceful here. So you really are getting the perfect property in a really central location in Cupar. Now this property is on the market for offers over 150,000. So if this appeals to you, please do message me directly, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take care.